I think it's about some cool ass chick.
Bring it on.
Time between the glory years and the old days. Did the work of 20 able men. Sent Tommy off to school to be an engineer. Sarah went and tried out all the sin. Took a turkey tea out in the Belvedere. Bourbons in the evening by the fire. As if the Great Depression never made it here. And she feeding her desire. Just wanted to ride in a Delaware 135. Just wanted to ride in a Hudson Commodore. Don't need to worry anymore. Doctors and a lawyer and a Roosevelt tried to take her underneath their wing. She was in her 20s in a Bible Belt. Didn't know she didn't need a thing. Didn't need their pity on a single girl. Didn't need their help to raise the broke. She wouldn't be returning to her daddy's world. She didn't want a better attitude. Just wanted to ride in a Delaware 135. Just wanted to ride in a Hudson Commodore. No need to worry anymore. Just wanted to ride in a Delaware 135. Just wanted to ride in a Hudson Commodore. No need to worry anymore.